Meaning of enough.
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 Enough. Enough is an adjective and adverb that indicates sufficiency or adequacy in quantity, degree, or amount. It suggests a satisfactory level of something needed or desired, beyond which there is no requirement or desire for more. In other words, when we have enough of something, we have reached a level where we are satisfied and do not need any more. It can refer to tangible things like food, money, or time, as well as intangible things like love, respect, or attention. Enough is the point at which our needs or wants have been fulfilled.